Is Taylor wearing Fazit glitter freckles at the Chiefs game right now? Like, is this real?
Is there a way to do those glitter freckles without the actual tattoo? No shade to Fazit. I think it's a great idea. My mom bought some and I recently bought some. I'm going to try them out, but I wanted to create some of those glitter freckles without the actual tattoo. So I thought I'd show you guys some different methods that you might be able to try. We've got some glitter liners. I've got some metallic Makeup by Mario. This one is a really cool little palette. I don't know about the face paint. I think these face paint situations might not be metallic enough, but if you don't have anything else, then it's definitely something to try. If you're going to use one of the glitter liners, obviously you're just going to kind of speckle it on there. You know what I mean? Just kind of different sizes. Let me zoom you in. And then you can kind of, we don't want it to be just like plastered on the face, because if you see what the glitter tattoos look like, they do look like actual little freckles. Okay, that's cute. Okay, so this one is the Urban Decay Moon Dust glitter liner. This is one that I got off of TikTok Shop. Very similar. It's a little thicker. A little too low, I think. Kinda. Whoa, that one was too big. Was it? I don't know. I mean, my freckles are actually that big. Mine are probably more like age spots at this point. But whatevs. Same diff. Okay, right. Look, see? This is not going to be as long lasting as the tattoos. The tattoos will last a while. But if you don't want it to last a while, then this is the way to go. This side, I'm going to use the Makeup by Mario. I'm going to use the gold. We're going to stick with the gold. I'm just going to take like some setting spray. You can use water or setting spray, really. And then I'm going to get a little brush and kind of, I like to pull it down here into the little pan, kind of like a little palette. You can take this out. This is removable to clean it, which I clearly have not done. But you can do that. I really would love it if Mario would make another one of these palettes with just like more colors. I got a tiny brush, tiny little brush. You know, you can get these at any of the hobby, like hobby shop or craft store, maybe even the dollar store, and just go to town. Now this one's not going to be as glittery. This is going to be more metallic, but you know, kind of the same effect, kind of different. We could even do gold and silver, you know what I mean, or other colors. And then just want to mix it up, tap tap. You know what I'm saying? But you want it to be like really like liquidy. That's what you want. Consistency. Just kind of like a gold lava. There we go. What do we think? Which side do you like better? Glitter? Metallic? I don't know. I kind of like the glitter side more. This is just a way to kind of get the same vibe without having to go buy the tattoos. And if you want something easier to get off than a tattoo, this is another way to go. Let me know if you want to see a different color from this palette, or if you want me to mix it up and do a couple of the colors at the same time, or even a different colored glitter. I do have lots of different colored glitters. I literally have almost all of the Urban Decay glitter liners. It's my favorite. I use it all the time to do a glitter brow, so, but I love them. Make sure to comment which side you like better. I mean, this one definitely catches the light more, but if you want a little bit more subtle and just metallic, that's another way to go. Ooh. Thanks for watching. My name is Amber Wood, Over 40 Makeup Mom. Bye!